Okay, so we got the motor out. We got it in the workshop. This is the top side here. And this is the underside that I couldn't get to when it was in the boat. And I found where the damage is. This guy looks okay. This one does not look okay. This one looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. So that's the crankshaft part. And then up here is the cylinder. So the cylinder itself looks pretty good. The rings don't look too bad or anything. They feel pretty smooth. And as far as I can tell, this bearing is okay. I'm still trying to take that off. But you can see here, so this is the front of the engine. This one looks okay, that feels smooth. This one has had it. You can see the metal has like melted and come out. So that's what was, that had seized the motor. And then these are the other ones. They feel smooth. This one maybe a little bit of scoring. No, it's okay. Also pretty good. Maybe just a bit starting on the outside. So I think all it needs is a replacement set of bearings. I'm not sure. I need to check the sleeves. But the cylinders don't seem so bad. Like they look a bit carbonized up there, but this doesn't feel rough. It looks not too bad. The rest of the motor looks pretty bad, but what I'm doing with these rusty parts is basically taking them off, trying to make them as small as possible, and then I sling them over in this this like de-rusting bath. So if they fit in here, this is just like some kind of bicarbonate soda crystals and water, and then you run DC voltage from these outside ones to the negative, and then you put the thing you want to make not rusty in there, and then just hook it up to, it's hooked up here to this battery, and then you put the battery on a battery charger as well. Where's the battery charger? Oh, here. So that it doesn't go too flat. And then that, in a few days, converts, even when it has paint on, gets rid of all of the rust, and the paint just strips away. This is the bit that was in the, not in the water. And then after that, I'm using like an enamel based paint. So like first an etching primer and then an enamel based paint. So that's what the heat exchanger looks like now. This one's next.